Telesis is the parent company for 5 separate entities. We have 3 manufacturing businesses, 4 restaurants, and we have a property holdings company. It was becoming difficult to have siloed businesses. It was hard to see inventory in real time. It was hard to see sales in real time. Anytime you needed to get into the system and find what you were looking for was time consuming and cumbersome.
Previously, it took 40 hours to close a period out. It was challenging to get that information out to them and keep it updated so they could make decisions.
We also had to do quadruple data entry and then hours and days of validation and correction of that data entry just to continue operating.
Our current VAR understood the complexity of our businesses and came to us with Acumatica and said, this is what you've been asking for all your life. The intuitiveness of the system is really important for me because I can go into any one of our companies and see how well we are doing.
With the automations that we've got from Acumatica, we're probably down 40%, I'd say, to about 25 man-hours to get the months closed. What used to take a day and a half to enter invoices, it's maybe 15 minutes. You just click, import. So that's been huge.
Once we got into using Acumatica, we realized it was like scratching the surface. We're able to see more with inventory now than I ever could before. I never could actually see it. It was in paper and spreadsheets. It was ridiculous. But we basically went from a $13 million company to a $23 million company since we implemented Acumatica.
Algorithm's been great. We've been with them for over 20 years. Anything that we've ever asked them about Acumatica, they're experts, they're very knowledgeable.
So for Telesis, Acumatica was perfect for them because it fit all the different versions of the type of companies that they were offering, and we can do phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and grow with them as their business operations change.
Acumatica listens, whether it's an idea or a challenge somebody's running into, and the next thing you know, it's in the next software update. I've never worked with a company that listens like that.
I would say that Acumatica is great because it's easy to learn, it's easy to use, and you can scale it up as you get more sophisticated.
It gives you all the features that you need to run your business. So I don't think there's any scenario you can come up with that says Acumatica won't work for you.